Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into dental health and hygiene. Today we're tackling an ever-present issue in oral care, dental plaque. We'll explore what it is, how it forms, its impacts on oral health and various ways to manage and prevent it. So grab your toothbrushes and let's get into it. What is dental plaque? Dental plaque is a soft, sticky film that builds up on your teeth. It's composed mainly of bacteria, along with saliva, food particles, and other natural substances in your mouth. Plaque forms when bacteria in your mouth mix with sugary or starchy foods, creating acids that can harm tooth enamel and gum health. Formation of dental plaque. The formation of dental plaque is a natural process that starts right after you eat or drink anything other than water. Bacteria in your mouth feast on sugars and starches, producing acids in the process. If not cleaned regularly, these bacteria form colonies leading to the visible buildup known as plaque. Dental plaque and tooth decay. The relationship between dental plaque and tooth decay is direct. The acids produced by plaque can erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities. Continued acid attacks weaken the enamel and dentin, potentially causing more severe dental issues such as tooth decay or even tooth loss. Dental plaque removal. Removing dental plaque is crucial for maintaining oral health. Regular brushing and flossing are the first lines of defense as they physically remove plaque from the surfaces and in between the teeth. For areas that are harder to reach, an interdental brush or water flosser can be effective. Dental plaque removal at home. At home, you can combat plaque with proper brushing and flossing techniques. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and floss at least once a day. Consider using an antimicrobial or fluoride mouthwash to help reduce plaque bacteria and remineralize the teeth. Home remedies for dental plaque. Several home remedies can aid in plaque control. Baking soda, for example, can help neutralize the acids in plaque, while oil pulling with coconut oil may reduce bacteria and plaque buildup. However, always consult with your dentist before trying new remedies. Professional treatments for plaque removal. For more stubborn plaque, professional cleaning by a dentist or dental hygienist is recommended. They use tools like scalers and ultrasonic devices to thoroughly remove plaque and tartar that can't be achieved at home. Dental plaque removal techniques. Advanced techniques for plaque removal include deep cleaning procedures like scaling and root planing. These are used to treat gum disease by cleaning between the gums and teeth down to the roots. Dental plaque periodontics. Periodontics is a dentistry branch focusing on the structures supporting the teeth, including issues caused by dental plaque. Periodontists specialize in treating gum disease and other complications arising from plaque buildup. Impact of dental plaque on oral health. Dental plaque can lead to several oral health issues beyond just cavities. It is a primary cause of gum disease, which can progress to periodontitis, a serious infection that can damage soft tissues and destroy the bone that supports your teeth. How to prevent dental plaque? Preventing dental plaque involves maintaining a strict oral hygiene routine. Brushing regularly, flossing, eating a balanced diet low in sugars and starches, and regular dental checkups are key strategies. Difference between plaque and tartar. It's important to note the difference between plaque and tartar. While plaque is soft and can be removed by brushing, tartar is hardened plaque that has mineralized on the teeth. Tartar requires professional dental cleaning to remove. Role of bacteria in dental plaque formation. Understanding the role of bacteria in plaque formation is crucial for prevention. While some mouth bacteria are harmless, others thrive on sugars and produce acids that lead to plaque. Managing these bacteria through good oral hygiene and dietary choices is essential. Thank you for tuning into our detailed exploration of dental plaque. Remember, regular dental care not only keeps your smile bright but also supports your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Share this video with friends and family to spread the word about effective oral hygiene. Stay healthy and keep smiling.